Hello everybody, welcome back to the stream. It is day 31, day 31. I can't believe it, day 31. To everybody new to the stream, I welcome you. If you're a regular user, welcome back. As you all know, the main purpose of the stream is just to help anybody out with any computer issues or problems that they might have. I might be able to find a solution for your problem or find an alternative one, and if needed, I'll try to recreate it on my system. So I'm actually just gonna continue what I was doing the other day. I was just trying to set up this refined boot manager, but it was working, but for some reason it broke. So now I gotta start the whole system again. And again, and again, and again. So I really don't want to waste more time on that. So I'll just do like a backup. Just gonna clone this. Yeah, clone that out. Not enough storage. Let's use this one. There's not enough storage. Okay. Let me say this before I continue. Okay, fine. Then let's just use this one again and fix it from scratch. Okay, I forgot to add the poll of today. Let me add that before I continue on. I forgot about it. I didn't think I was gonna forget about it. But I did forget about it. Okay. I just need a few minutes here. Now then. Is the microphone working? I cannot hear myself. Okay, yeah, I can hear myself now. Okay, yeah, I can hear myself now. Okay, see? Okay, let's just add this. There. Gotta add the poll today. Let's make this a funny one. This poll is gonna be funny. Yeah, okay, let's start that up. Yeah, okay, it sees the Windows. Wait, is that Windows working? I don't even remember if it's actually working. I hope it is. Or did I damage it? I think I did damage it. Let's set up the poll here. Oh no, it is working. Oh, okay, never mind then. Yesterday it was not working. That's so odd. Okay, here's the poll that we won. Just gotta add the poll stuff here. Okay, yeah. And the last option is this one. Okay, that's what we need. There we go. Now there's our poll. The best Windows version. It's gonna be a controversial one. Let's see who here is gonna talk about that one. Shaven, what's this? Yeah, sure, do that. Now let me just share this off. Ow, my fingers, it hurt. Okay. Bunsy buddy, why aren't you working? Ah yes, you see it as a thread and you deleted it. I forgot about that. Literally forgot about that part. Yes, find all the threads that you want. This is where I needed to go. Okay. Now, okay, here we go. Now let's just make the polls also available here. So everybody knows about them. I should have made this before I went live. There we go. Now we're all set up. Let's see. 11 boats. First computer ever used. Oh, a lot of you guys use Windows 95 and 98. Huh, nobody picked Mac. That's alright. Don't remember 36%. That's great, I love that. Okay, now post this somewhere else. Here, there we go. Super, there we have it. Awesome, okay. What is this button for? Oh, that's what that button is for. Okay, sweet. Okay, yeah, I did not want to use this. So I can do it with Windows. It's more easier to do it with Windows. Installing the EFI using Windows manually. Command prompt, run as administrator, X copy. Oh my god. Copy. That's right, but the EFI is hidden. I think it would be more easier if I just do it on Linux again. Yeah. Let's just boot again to Linux. Should be easier. Oh, there we go, Linux. That was odd. Yesterday I did not want it to work. Oh, you have updates? Yeah, install them. Yeah, we just need to download them all again. That's one thing. Let's see, where is it here? Yeah, display. I want my eyes. My eyes. 4K. No, we don't have 4K. 1080. That's enough. That's better. And appearance. We like dark. Give us dark. Okay, let's just finish that up. Oh, that's right. Remember now. I had to delete it. So let's just download Refine again, because I really want to try that again. Viewer suggested it, and it's actually cool. Where's the file? Here's the file. There's the version. We want the depth. There we go. That's what we want. Yeah, just download that. Come on. A few seconds now. And sweet. It's done. Yeah, install them. Oh, you want me to restart? Fine, restart now. Are you not gonna restart? There we go. Yeah, just restart. To anybody new to the stream, I welcome you. If you have any computer issues or problem, ask away in the chat. Don't hesitate. As for me, I'll be fixing my own issues, which just makes me go crazy. Okay, there. Can we make that bigger? Okay, there, that's perfect. Let's go back to Linux installing. Supposed to already work. Okay, so let's go to downloads. Okay. Any updates left? Okay, perfect. Okay. Installing, that ran. Already signed, installing driver. Notice backup for existing icons, directory as icon backup. Okay. So that means it works. Okay, here they are. Okay, so it says that Ubuntu is still set as the primary. Let's see if that's actually real. Restart that. Nope, it's not real. Now for whatever reason, if you click boot fallback, it disables it. As in like, just go like from a backup or something like that. So I wouldn't even pick that. So let's just go back to the Ubuntu one. Okay, so if I put this command, EFI boot manager, yeah. Now it says number 8 is the primary. That's so 8 is this one. The refined boot manager is primary. Okay, that's good. So now what I want to do is I want to change the icons. Like I want to, let's just download the, let's actually do things. Let's install GIMP on this thing. Install GIMP. Let's So now I know it works. The only thing that I need to know if it actually is working is if I can change the icons. Because I don't want to use the default ones. They're not bad. But honestly, I just want to use my own icons. There you go, yeah, those icons. I don't want to use those icons. So the pad, except that the pad was boot. EFI, and again EFI, but it's all caps for some reason. And here's refine. This is what we need to edit. So, okay, icons and an icon backup for whatever reason. But this is why we need the icons. Okay, so we want to find the Ubuntu one. It's this one. So if we see it in the file manager, so it would be here. EFI, EFI, refine, icons. There they are. Yeah, so this is the one for Ubuntu. I want to change that. So I got a downloading manager for that. No. So the one that I was gonna pick. How does it look, that one? Oh, it doesn't look like the original. This one. This one looks like more original. Yeah, this one. Save image as Ubuntu. Yeah, leave it in the downloads for now. Now we're gonna test that out. I'm gonna open that. There we go. So take that off. Let's edit that as well. But come on, like really, I really want to use this. Okay. Okay, that's perfect. Now select none. Now what was the size of this? 128 by 128. Okay, so the size, let's just make a new one. 128 by 128. Okay. Now we're just gonna go to this one, scale it, 128, 128. There we go. I'm gonna put that there. Now that background we needed add alpha channel. There we go. Okay, that seems decent enough. Okay, perfect. Now we're gonna save that, export it as, yeah. Okay, what's the name of the format that it's using so it recognizes it? OS_Ubuntu. Okay. OS_Ubuntu. And export that. Yep, export it. And that's it. Now we just needed to add it there. Okay, that's not working. Okay, so we remove it. It's gone. Okay, now you just want to change this icon so we can use it with the boot manager refine. Now let's go to back. Let's go. Okay, let's go back to my user. There we go. Okay. To anybody new to the stream, I welcome you. If you have any computer issues or problems, just ask away. I might be able to help you out. I can try to fix it, find an alternative solution, or I'll recreate it on my system. As for me, I am just fixing my own computer issues. So where is this? Wait, if I use L, it shows me the directory. I did not know that. Okay. Sweet. Okay, there's the... Wait. Oh, that's right. It's not here. CD documents. Here it is. Okay. Ah. So I need to copy this. The pad, CP, OS, the pad, icons. Permission, oh, that's right. There we go. And there it is. Okay. So I'm pretty sure if that went how it's supposed to go, let's say that. Yeah, leave it there. So if that actually worked, it's supposed to boot up with that icon. And if it does, that's pretty neat. Restart, yeah, restart it. I like that. That's pretty neat. That is really, really neat. Okay guys, give me a few minutes, I'm gonna get myself a snack, I'll be right back. In around 5 minutes, I'll be right back. Okay, I am back now. We're back now. Resume. Now we're back. So that works. Wait. Oh, I just wanted it to do that. So the icon works. I guess I didn't make it that better. Now let's try the Windows icon. I'm gonna choose this one. No, wait, not that one. That was like Windows 10. I think, no, not that one either. This one looks like Windows 11. Yeah, let's leave that there. The only issue about this one, well, it's not more of an issue, it's more like it doesn't appear there. It's more like when we find the Windows one, this is the one that it pops up when I loaded it up. It says it's Windows 8. So I'm guessing whoever made this program just hasn't updated it since the last version was for 2024. So over a year ago. So either way, we just need to change this icon. And it should work. So I just gotta rename it as OS 1.8. And I just gotta put this as 128, 128. Now I just gotta resize this. 128, 128. Scale that. Just copy that, put that in there, and that's it. None. Now I think with this, we should be able to export it. It says OS underscore Win8. Okay. OS underscore Win8. Export. Export. So there we go. Now we have the PMG. Let's just open the terminal here. Pin the dock. So small. CD boot. What? Okay, I forgot to do that. Copy. City. There we go. Now we just need to copy from the source. Oh no, wait. I did it wrong. Just copy this, go back to CD, or go to documents. And now no way, the other way around. I'm gonna remove it first. Sudo remove OS underscore win 8 and it's gone. Now go to CD documents. Now here put the name of the file, sudo copy OS underscore and the path to here. So now we copied it. Ah, there it is. Perfect. So what that means is now it should load up. Let's see now. Reboot. Started. Now we should be prompted with the Windows 11 icon. Let's see. Hey, oh, that looks nice. Yeah, I like that. It looks pretty nice. The Ubuntu one is a little bit more fixing, but this one, oh, it looks pretty nice. So when I go to Windows, there we go. That was actually much easier than I thought. So I did have a few notes about that. Okay, oh, what was this? Oh, I see in the chat, the Discord chat, oh, somebody uploaded. Oh, Respawn, oh, I think he Pop OS. Sweet. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna let that run. Oh hey, Respawn. I just saw your message, man. I was gonna type again. Oh yeah, that's I don't know. I'm guessing that's because Linux just doesn't have that. So we literally gotta disable it off. I had to do the same thing with my physical system. I had to turn that off. You find it stable? Oh, that's pretty sweet. Now one that I'm thinking to install, if I want to do games, it's gonna be Steam OS. If I want to do games. Okay. CPU 12, i5, Intel Alder Lake. But it's a 12 core system? That i5 is 12 cores? That's actually pretty powerful. You can run anything with that. Well, almost anything, but still, that's pretty powerful. RAM 16 gigs. That's enough. But I'm pretty sure you could upgrade it. Maybe to, depending on the motherboard, 32 or maybe 64 gigs. I'm pretty sure now it's gonna be really common to have 128 gigs of RAM. If your motherboard is 500 arrows? And was that used or brand new? That's around like 550 or 600 bucks. Yeah, that's in American dollars. That's around like 680. Then you really got a beefy one, a very powerful one. Oh, so it's like, okay, so 88 more dollars, 588. Okay, that's not bad. And for those specs, that's astonishingly good. Honestly, something that I change about laptops is, like, if I do get a laptop again, I'm pretty sure I won't because I still have my old one here with me, is I prefer them to be lighter, like very light. Like I can lift it up with one hand, like no issues whatsoever. Because I have another one that's very small but heavy as hell. It's not really easy to carry. To me, the lighter the better, and with those specs, even perfect. Now 4, 3, 2. Dell Bastro 3520. That's the one that you bought? Yeah, it looks pretty sick. I like it. I wonder how much it weighs. That's, I don't know what, but I've been concerned about that a lot. That Buster 35. 489. Oh, that's cheap. One left. Oh, I think this is use. Is this use? Yeah, this is use. I just want to know how heavy it is. Operating system, Windows, Ubuntu. I do like that, 120 hertz. Doesn't say how much it weighs here. Camera, yeah. Ah, here we go. Starting weight. 3.5 pounds. 1.63 kilograms. That's a little heavy. That's not bad. If I can lift it up with one arm, I'll take it. Aluminum. Oh no, wait, starting with 365 or 3, or if it's plastic. Aluminum 360. Okay. Seems nice. Seems very nice. Oh man, enjoy your brand new laptop. Um, now, what, oh god, wait. So I put 2. Oh, I already put 2. So now goes 1. And that was it, right? Yeah. Okay. So I changed the order. So this is still boot. Oh yeah, it still boots. Okay, and it's using the icons that I put in. That's great. Ah, so we have about XP or 7, 50-50. Who's gonna break that boat? Okay, so that it works. I'm gonna try something different. So we don't need this anymore. I wanna go back to the promos. Okay, finally it loaded. It scared you? What did it do? It broke. It did something unexpected. It did not charge. Oh, I would double check that again. That would have sucked horrible. A brand new laptop and then seeing that, it would give anybody a little panic. If it's not solder, the RAM, it should be upgradable. Okay, look, there's even a guide here. So I'm pretty sure, yeah, I'm pretty sure these are the RAM, yeah, here are the RAM sticks. It could be that maybe you only have you might have just one slot, and that one slot, that RAM stick might be 16 gigs, and you can just get another 16 and have 32. I could be wrong, but that's what they've been doing nowadays. If this is your laptop, yeah, well, at least it says here opening the Dell Bostro 3520. Seems interesting. So it's on the bottom to open it. Battery is pretty small. So you have SSD here. I'm guessing this is, yeah, this is an SSD right here. And you have M.2 here. So you can upgrade these two things. Here's your Wi-Fi. Oh yeah, it says right here. But you literally have a lot to upgrade. If the one that you came is instead of 2 slots of 8 gigs, then 16 and 16, it would be better for you. It does recognize it. That's actually good. It doesn't seem like unknown. Nostalgia? Yeah. Yeah, the thing is, I have this Windows 7 and Pro Max, and I have it connected with this firewall. So I just do all the testing that I want to open the firewall, because I cannot open it from my host computer. So basically I gotta do all the configuration here. So I can just access the firewall's web GUI. That's what I've been basically doing with this Windows 7. And since it doesn't have a lot of resources, I can just basically do anything that I need really fast. I don't remember the IP. What's the IP? Ah, okay. 22, 22, 22, 10. Okay. This is simple enough. I try to give it some updates with the legacy update. It's really useful. 22, 22, there we go. Yeah, okay, this is basically the firewall. Really, man? By heart? I would not even remember that. At that point in time for me, I just cared that the system worked and nothing else. But remembering the key? Yikes. That's dedication. No, not me. The only XP that I have installed, my dad did had an old XP when he bought it, but now every XP that I ever have are all virtual machines. Oh, hello there, man. Good afternoon to you, my friend. Thanks for joining the stream. How's it going? Well, I was just gonna check some settings for this firewall and maybe try to upgrade again. Give it updates to this Windows 7 virtual machine. Because I have this connected to a firewall right now. Not sure if what I want to do is gonna work. This is Studio and GitHub. Are you making something or are you looking for something? Oh, your nephew. That's cool. He's already Linux born. Oh, you use it for notes? Huh. I have only published one thing on GitHub, and it was a script for a video that I made. I just haven't. I only used it like 2 times. I really haven't used it that much for something else. That's a convenient way to get those stuff. I should try to do that if I want to do more stuff. So I was gonna change here. Ah, finally. Updates. That's true. That's a concern that we might all get. You could try. No, on an NAS. What OS am I running? So I'm not running Windows XP. I mean Windows 7. This is Windows 7. I'm actually running open source Tumbleweed, and these are virtual machines that I'm running right now. So this is my distro, open source Tumbleweed. I need to spin up to play the Legacy Mac Warrior. I don't think I ever heard that. You did 98, 2000, XP, and Vista, and 7. I would say the first one for me was XP, Vista, 7, 8, and 10, and so on. But I still use it, just sometimes. I want to mess around with something, or troubleshoot something. Mac Warrior. I didn't really like 8. The reason I switched to Pop OS because Windows is getting too much. I'm guessing it's getting too much bloatware or crap that we just don't need. It's becoming more like a commercial, something like ads inside of the system. It's odd. Oh yeah, that's right, Dan. And if you join our Discord server, it's a community server. We post our stuff there. If you have any issues or whatever, if you want. Respawn posted of some song like 20 minutes ago that he got a new laptop and he installed Pop OS on it. I accept. Did someone join on the? I didn't even notice. Oh, the Pimple. Oh yes, I used to play that a lot. Or the Solitary. Oh no, it's alright, man. Like the main the main reason I have that there is if anybody was If anybody needed like any visual help, they can share their screen if they want. So that's why I have the that there, and that's why it's there on the stream. Like this, that's basically what the stream is for. Like help anybody with any solutions. I'll try to find a solution or an alternative one or recreate it on my own system. Yeah, yeah. Like if you want to join, if you want to try to, if there's already somebody else, you can join and just collaborate. Like see if maybe you have an idea that I don't have, or just talk to each other. We might get something out of it. Ah, but don't worry about it, man. Yeah, I already had that Discord server set up, so you can share anything that you want there. I put a channel for Linux news, any Windows news that people just want to share. If you want to make a video request as well, or honestly anything. The server was suggested by a viewer, and I'm like, okay, I'll go ahead and do it. I honestly want to install this Windows updates. So if I install these updates now, I'm supposed to get the last edition of Windows Internet Explorer. Oh, did you post a news about it in the channel? On the Linux news channel, Respawn? Is it that much of a difference? Oh, okay, sweet. You said that there is that much. Oh, okay. We could just post that in the text channel Linux News, so if anybody wants to check it out. It's alright, I'll just do it. I'll just do it. Copy link. There. Changes in the menu, cinnamon version, keyword layout. Be supported until 2029. It's a beta so far. That's pretty neat. So what does it's gonna have support until 2029. So until that year, it's gonna be discontinued. What? That's odd. So they already have a date when it's going to be discontinued. I'm not saying it's not gonna work anymore. I'm just saying like I'm just surprised. It is because it is based on Ubuntu. Oh, okay. Mm, but is it better or more of the same? It doesn't have a drive manager. I didn't know that. Sometimes the things that I think it doesn't have already pre-installed, I just gotta download them. It's more of a hassle. But it doesn't mean it's not compatible. It says work. It just doesn't have it inside the system. Some slight differences. So more like unofficial ones, like community ones, like that don't have like a lot of support, or they just run better. Last OMD is based on Debian 13. Oh, the Linux Mint Debian is based. Oh, the Trixie one. Let's see that. The Debian edition goes to ensure Linux can continue to deliver the same user. If Ubuntu was ever to disappear, really? That's their. What made them think that Ubuntu was ever going to disappear? There must be a reason for them to think that Ubuntu was ever going to disappear. Did Ubuntu had a rough start before it gained all the popularity that it has now? I'm not saying it's not that popular, but I'm saying when people discover Linux, the first one that they actually hear about is Ubuntu. Yeah, that sounds reasonable, a backup plan. But because in this case, they would just like stop supporting it, can't continue, and users are gonna have to switch or do something else. But for them to put it like this, even if it was a backup plan, it makes me think that the ones from Linux Mint knew something about Ubuntu, and they added this if Ubuntu was ever to disappear. It's odd. They started to get ahead of controversies. Ah, okay, so there is something. Okay, that makes. Okay, now we're getting to the picture. Okay, that's just odd how they phrase that. To know the same, I don't know why, but I just found that odd. If Ubuntu was ever to disappear, so odd. But now I see if there's controversies. But still, that's very interesting. They have it said like that. So that's their like project. Their gold. In this case, their gold. Ah. Okay, so now, there's other projects from guys who did it. Solid DXK. That's a very odd name. Solid Debian based XFCE and KDE. Solid DXK. A Dutch? Oh, a Dutch distro. Yeah, it's not gonna. Ah, damn it. Not gonna load there. Solid DXK. I'm guessing it's this one. Off Debian. Oh, I see. XFC and KDE. Oh, that's neat. Also for burial systems. Enthusiastic edition? Ah, these are for development, okay. And these guys are from Dutch? What is this? About. Oh well, this Linux distro has been existing since '93. Yo, this one's really old. That one's really old. This is taking a long ass time. Really want those updates to be installed on this Windows 7. But still, Respawn, that's really old.